right, Nick, what's wrong with your truck? Actually, tell us what your truck is. Make, model, year.
My truck is a 2001 Chevrolet S10 two-wheel drive flex fuel vehicle. And I was driving a couple of days ago and the check engine light came on and the code came up for the canister filter. Now, I read on the internet that if you're driving in some inclement weather and the water splashes up under the wheel well of the truck, that sometimes the filter can get saturated with water, which would cause it to trip the code sensor. Now, we had a couple of good drying days and I've been driving the truck for quite some time. I want to clear the code to see if it goes away permanently or if it comes back again. And if it comes back again, I'm probably going to have to change the filter or maybe the canister itself. But John is going to clear the code, and in a couple of days of more driving, if it pops back on again, then I know that I have to go to plan B.
Okay. I will get close in just in case somebody wants to buy it. And you bought this on Amazon, right?
Yeah.
And it was what? How much? Do you remember?
I think it was around $60, somewhere around there.
Okay.
It wasn't very expensive. It's a
All
cheap.
right. Okay.
All right, John, here are the car keys for the ignition, and the show is all yours. One day I'm going to clean out this truck, people, but today is not the day. It's a work truck.
So, John, you have to turn the car on?
Yeah, just in the on position.
Just the on position, okay. And then where you plug it in is close to where you release the hood latch?
The plug is right here. It's on the left side,
Okay.
underneath, and basically you're gonna match that with that.
Okay. So it's connected. Now what are you doing?
Now I'm gonna hit enter,
I'm gonna hit enter.
and it's gonna load. All right. Now it's showing codes found. It says it's got one. Okay, read codes. I'm gonna read codes. Stored codes. Reading code. So it's, yeah, air injection system.
Happens.
Oh, this is no, that's why I gotta go erase codes.
Ah, haha. All right, so now we're going to erase the code.
I'm gonna say
Are you
yes.
sure? And you're gonna say yes.
Okay, erase is done. All right. Okay.
Code is erased. Okay, so what are next steps?
Now basically we're done. So I can pull this out
Okay.
and pull this back.
And Nick's gonna drive the car for a couple of days to see whether or not the code stays erased. Is that the plan?
Yeah.
All right.
Yeah, it's off.
Yep.
I believe it's off.
All right, so Nick, you'll report back to us in a couple of days.
Yes. Hey, everybody.
Hey.
You're not going to believe this.
What?
The code that we cleared after about 250 miles of driving, it popped back on again.
Uh-oh, what does that mean?
Well, that means that we're gonna have to repair his evaporator canister. It's an emission control device. It's located on, I think, the driver's side.
Correct.
Underneath
Under the
fender.
front wheel well.
Yeah, so
All
let's see
right.
what's going on with it.
So can he still drive it until
Yeah, no, it's
you change it?
It's okay to drive still. So
But it'll not pass inspection, so it's
Yeah,
got to
not
just
pass.
be done before then.
Yep.
And is it something you guys can do together, or it's better off just taking it to the mechanic, just get it done?
Probably could do it. I gotta look it up online, see what it involves.
All right. So I guess coming soon.
Yeah.